Hey guys, Kenneth Todd here and welcome to the Kenneth Todd Show. This is where we focus on money, marketing and mindset. Okay, this is the first episode and I'm going to vary this content over the next few weeks, the next few months as this show develops. Today is an Ask Kenneth Show. So 3 of you guys have submitted questions for me already and we're going to be focusing, like I said, on marketing. You know, how to run a business, how to do our marketing, how to do it the right way, money, how we can increase our influence, how can we become better as human beings, how we can up-level ourselves, change our mindset so that we can start earning more, but also serving more, right? And when we serve more, when we add more value, when we provide stuff of value, then guess what happens? Money flows to us naturally. So anyway, the first question that I want to focus on today is from Gamal. And Gamal said to me, how do I build a big following? And I love this question because this is what I was infatuated with when I started online, and I see so many people doing exactly the same thing. And what my first recommendation would be to you, Gamal, is this: stop focusing on quantity and start focusing on quality. Everybody's comparing themselves. Everybody's looking out there and seeing this company, this person, this personal brand have 10,000 followers, 100,000 followers, and they give that meaning. They think, yes, this is it. I've made it. All these people are watching me. It's not like that. It's not about that. I'd rather have a small list of people that are highly engaged with me so that when they receive my email, when they see my Facebook post, when they see my video, they actually respond. They comment. They engaged, they appreciate me, they know that, hey, here's an email from Kenneth Todd, let me open this, let me pay attention, it's going to be good, right? That's what you want to do. So you've got to focus on what you have right now. Focus on building relationships first, focus on building trust, adding value, serve. How can I change this person's life? How can I connect with them on an emotional level, right? How can I get them to engage with me, be part of their conversation? Okay, so don't just go focus, don't make that mistake of just focusing on getting as many Facebook followers as possible and many Instagram followers as possible. Absolutely, that helps you with social proof, but it doesn't necessarily translate into your business being a success. Okay, the second question is from Cassandra, and she says, why has my Facebook reach gone down? And she was saying, look, I've got, I think she has 12 or 14,000 followers. And she said, well, all of a sudden, since I've got a whole bunch of new followers, when I do a post, my post's only reaching a certain amount of people. So you'll see at the bottom of your post that says reach. That's the number of people that have been served your post in their newsfeed. So what Facebook did around about 21st, 22nd of January, and they've been speaking about this for a long time, but in fact it's been headed this way for many years. And as I've said for a number of years, organic social media, okay, is not completely dead, but the one element of it, relying on social media, organic social media, so free organic social media, in order to generate leads, is dead. It's finished, okay? You can't rely on that. Gone are the days where you just start a Facebook page or an Instagram page and then people come running and your business explodes. It's too competitive. There's too much information out there. People are inundated. Okay, so what Facebook and that have been doing is, because if you think about this, if everybody on average likes over 50 or 100 Facebook pages, itchy nose, I've got to scratch it. Oh my gosh. And Facebook showed every single one of you the Facebook pages posts for that day, and those pages are posting 3, 4, 5 times a day. All your posts on your Facebook page would be about companies and business. You wouldn't get to see your friends and family. And this is social media. We jump on social media to interact with our friends and family. So by you coming along and doing a business post is interrupting that conversation. And Facebook doesn't want that. They want you to log on there to be engaged, to be part of a community, to be part of a conversation. So they have an algorithm, which is a little formula that's operating in the background to say, hey, only show these posts to people who like this page, to only about 1% of the people. And that's being pretty generous right now. It's probably a lot less than that. They don't want that anymore, right? They don't want just, when I say they don't want that, is they don't want business posts, public figure posts coming through. They basically want you to log on to Facebook and spend more time there having quality conversations. Their focus is on community and their focus is on engagement, right? So there's a lot of factors going in here now. I've already written a blog post about this and done numerous videos on this. So think about community and think about engagement. Community is groups around a certain a subject in common or common interest. So focus on building groups. So that's pretty much normal that your reach has decreased. There's nothing wrong with it. In order to do this is take a post, spend $1 a day and boost that post to your target audience or to a new audience, but also rely on a paid strategy, right? A paid strategy. This is an investment. Don't see it as a cost. Bring people into a sales funnel, okay? So the third question is from Michael. And he says, there are so many places to start being online. Where do I start? I feel overwhelmed. Completely typical. You know, is that there's just more and more of these social media platforms coming at us, right? There's more and more competition. So it feels like we're spending hours and hours and hours behind a computer. And for those of you guys that are starting out, you don't have time or the budget, right, to go employ somebody, train them, right, because you don't even know what you're doing, or hire somebody that has the experience to then go pay them $400, $800, $1,200, $2,000 per month to do everything for you, right? So you got to create this all by yourself. So it can seem like, damn, I'm here all day. And this is what I would recommend. Just like I said to Gamal, less quantity and higher quality. The first thing that you want to do in terms of starting out is understand what makes you tick, right? What makes you tick? Do you like videos? Do you like voice, like podcasting? Do you like writing? Do you like creating stuff? Okay, think about that. And while you're doing that, I want you to go figure out who your ideal audience is. Who are they? Where do they hang out? Who are these people? And then find out which platform are they on. Are they spending more time on YouTube? Are they spending more time on Facebook, on Instagram, etc., etc.? And then you got to decide, okay, I want to produce this content. I want to help people. I want to add value to their lives. I want to get their attention. How do I do this? Well, don't do something that you're not comfortable with. Why? Because you'll never get to do it. So if you don't like being in front of a video, don't say, hey, I'm going to jump onto YouTube, I'm going to go create Instagram videos or Facebook Lives. Do something that resonates with you and do something that you feel good about. And remember, context versus content. Okay? So understand too, is if you're producing stuff for Facebook, you can't just take that and share it on Instagram or LinkedIn, right? Completely different platforms. People on each platform consume that data in different forms. Okay, remember that too. So what you want to do is simplify. Choose one channel that resonates with where your audience is. First of all, that's your audience has to be on that channel. Go solve a problem and provide them content or value through your content that matches what you like. For me, I think Facebook is the greatest place to start, although there's a lot of controversy now and their stock is getting hammered and stuff with all this info, but they do have the most info, especially for ads. If you want to target females between the age of 25 and 35 who are married that classify themselves as green moms or big city moms that earn over $100,000, that have kids between the age of 0 and 2 or 3 and 5 or 14 and 16, and who read books by Deepak Chopra and Elizabeth Gilbert and shop at, I don't know, what's a shop, Tiffany's or any other shop, and they like certain pages, and they drive a Subaru or a hybrid and they earn in excess of $150,000, and they stay in a geographic location within 25 miles of a certain zip code, and their apartment is 2,000 square feet and above, and they have 3 credit cards, and they spend a lot of money online, and their job title is XYZ or an XYZ industry. You can go get those people. That's the beautiful thing about Facebook. And never before have we had access to a platform like that or data like that. That data was only reserved for big companies. Okay, so that's it for today for Ask Kenneth show. And I want to say I appreciate you guys. Remember, be authentic, be the best that you can, be great. Step up every single day, challenge yourself, make sure that you study this, master this art. It's not going anywhere. And it's all about up here. So don't forget your mindset when you're working on your money and you're working on your marketing. Submit your questions to me. I got a whole lot of information below this video of what my plan is for publishing each episode and the topics. I'd love you to subscribe to this channel if you can, and share this with your friends, and share this with your colleagues who are in the business world too. And remember, I answer all the questions below, so I look forward to hearing from you, and submit your questions for the next show and you will be featured. I appreciate you. Take care. Cheers.